everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you all a very easy and healthier pepper roti option for you all. And I know fasting has started in Trinidad and Tobago, so this one is going to be super easy to put together and great for you to make. So to start this recipe, I already have my potatoes boiling in salted water. You want to boil your potatoes in lightly salted water, and after which you'll drain it and set it aside. To my big skillet, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of oil, and I have my skillet on a medium heat. I'm going in with onions, finely chopped, peppers, and pimento peppers, finely chopped. We're going to saute this until the onion is tender and the peppers are very fragrant. And next, I'm going to go in with minced garlic. You'll notice I'm adding it after the onions have a chance to cook. In goes some finely shredded carrots, and I'm seasoning with some salt. I add the garlic in after because I don't want the garlic to burn. Now we're going to allow this to cook for about a minute until the carrots is tender. Now once your carrots are tender, you could go ahead and add in now your mashed potatoes. I went ahead and riced it because I have a ricer. You can use a potato masher or a fork. And now we're going to mix that with those aromatics until it's well incorporated. Now I'm going to add in some roasted geera or roasted cumin powder. In goes cheese, and you can use whatever cheese you would like for this. In goes some chopped bandania or culantro or green seasoning. And give that a mix. Now you're going to mix this until everything is well incorporated, and you'll want to taste it and make sure that the salt is where you need it to be. You see how it has come together? It's just the type of potato that I use that's giving me this consistency. Now set that aside, and on your sheet tray or cookie tray, you're going to brush it with butter or golden ray. Next, I put in 9 burrito wrappers. So you just want to line your tray with that 9 wrappers, make sure that they overlap, and spread out your potato filling. You want to spread it out evenly. And then I'm going to put in 2 more of the wrappers on the top. This is to make sure that the center of the wrap itself is not exposed, and this is how it would look. I'm going to brush it again with some more butter. This is going to help give it a really nice crisp exterior. Place another sheet tray on top, and this goes into your oven. When it's finished baking, it's going to be nice and brown and crisp on the top and the bottom. Allow it to cool down slightly, and then go ahead and cut it up into squares. How easy was that, guys? This is super simple, super healthier to eat, and it's still going to be that amazing pepper roti filling that we're accustomed to. Just look at it. I know it's not the prettiest because how it's cut, but let me tell you, when it comes to flavor, taste, it was really amazing. So I think this is going to be my new and favorite way to make pepper roti now, so you don't have to make that paratha dough. So if you guys tried this recipe, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me again today for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.